And so if I was to look at the M365 E3 in this client, I could tell that they own 3950. They've assigned 3940, but they're only using 3350. So they're using 600 less than they need. Now, the key thing here is Microsoft looks at consumption as I own 3950 and I've assigned 3940. So Microsoft would basically say, ticky box, they're 99.75%, round that up to 100% deployed. Right? But the reality is they're only using 3350. And so if we go back and look at that data and look at their blocked users and non-human accounts and all that sort of stuff, that's where those 600 are going to come in, right? So we can actually go in and look at where are those, let's free up those 600. But the other thing is, if you look at the M365, it's made up of 42 different plans.